Introducing the Pelle Sol Rake, the ultimate garden tool for effortless lawn and yard maintenance. With its adjustable telescopic handle, it extends from 38 inches to 63 inches, ensuring comfort for users of all heights. Made with durable aluminium and steel, it handles heavy debris easily. Its wide 25-tine head covers more ground quickly, making cleanup faster and simpler. Perfect for every season, this lightweight yet powerful rake is a must-have for a tidy, beautiful garden. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking to transform your lawn effortlessly? The Walensee Lawn Rake is your perfect gardening companion. With its heavy-duty design, it distributes soil, removes stones, breaks up small lumps, and smooths your yard for flawless planting. Made from rust-proof high-quality iron with full welding technology, it's built to last. Available in 3 sizes to suit any lawn or garden, with adjustable length and angle for maximum comfort. Easy to assemble, store and use. Your greener, healthier lawn is just rake away. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a reliable tool to create perfectly smooth outdoor surfaces? The BlumeTrec Rake is here to make your landscaping easier and more efficient. Crafted from high-grade rust-resistant steel with adjustable head angles, its durable design handles soil, sand, gravel and topsoil with ease. The long ergonomic handles reduce bending, making yard work less tiring. Perfect for lawns, gardens, golf courses and farms, it ensures professional results every time. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Transform your lawn with the Darlac Lawn Scarifier, the award-winning manual tool designed to promote healthy, vibrant grass. Built from tough powder-coated steel, it easily removes dead grass and moss, improving airflow, water absorption, and nutrient access. Its adjustable telescopic handle makes yard work comfortable for gardeners of all heights, reducing bending fatigue. Perfect for mid-spring or autumn use, it revitalizes your lawn and prepares it. Overseeding or fertilizing? You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the Walensee Rake, the ultimate tool for all your gardening needs. Made with high-quality stainless steel, it's built to last, resisting rust and corrosion. With 17 sturdy tines and wide 17-inch head, this rake easily loosens soil, levels ground, and spreads mulch or gravel. Its adjustable handle makes it perfect for gardeners of all ages, and the detachable design offers easy storage. Experience reliable performance, durable construction with the Walensee Rake. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for an easy way to create a perfectly level lawn? The Signstek Lawn Rake is your ultimate gardening companion. With a ground plate measuring 30 inches by 10 inches, it helps you level soil and dirt quickly and evenly, making your yard flat, beautiful and healthy. Its design offers easy movement, great functionality, and smooth maneuverability, saving you time and effort. Get your lawn looking flawless with the Signstek Lawn Rake today. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Introducing the BlumeTrec Rake, your ultimate gardening companion. Crafted from heat-treated manganese steel, it combines exceptional durability with versatile functionality. The dual-sided head easily switches between loosening soil, gathering leaves, or leveling surfaces, making yard work faster and more efficient. Its wide 38-centimeter head and deep steel tines ensure thorough coverage without harming plant roots. With an adjustable 70-centimeter handle and soft grip, it offers comfort for long hours of outdoor work. Assembly is simple and storage is a breeze. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment.